Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase various different items using your Call of Duty credits. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you may log in using your credentials to end up within the main menu. From here, you can check your credits that you have accumulated at the top section, just alongside your Call of Duty points counter. In order to spend these credits to buy various different items, just tap on the store option at the bottom left corner. From here, just tap on a credit shop at the left side, and this will show you various different items that you can buy using the credits that you have. These items range from crates to weapons or skins and bundles. After choosing your desired item, just tap on the buy button at the bottom right corner and then confirm when you are asked to do so. Once you tap on the purchase button once again, it will now be added to your inventory, and you can now tap on the equip button in order to quickly equip with various different profiles right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy various different items and upgrades using your Call of Duty credits. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.